These pasties that I'm going to try, it's a Sio Bao Pasty. Sio Bao means baked pao. Pao is a dumpling in Chinese, so Sio means bake is in the Hokkien dialect. And I've got vegan corn. Let me see. Okay, I've got vegan corn and mixed vegetables with Chinese seasoning and flavoring. Not oyster sauce. I'm using a vegetarian seasoning, so it's vegan. It's good for vegetarian and vegan. So, gosh, look at this. Look at this. Okay, let's just eat it and see. A Chinese and British invention. Well, we call people of mixed heritage, which is European and Asian, we call them Eurasian. This is so good. Okay, that's enough for the day. I'm full, but it's so tasty. Okay. Go to my shop and you can find it there. And it can be shipped to the whole of the UK. Okay? The website is www.nyonyarecipe.com. See you.